They call me Fred Sanford. My name is David. I went on a road trip. I bought a couple of sewing machines. And for years I've been buying things and acquired the nickname of Fred Sanford, as in Sanford and Son. And we'll just take a sneak peek here. Oop! Oop! Just a couple. Just a sneak peek. Hey, what's this? A tail. Let's follow it, see where it goes to. Ooh. You haul. Who wants to take a peek? Just a little peek. Anything in there? Alright, hope you liked the video. Thanks a lot. Alright, just kidding. We'll give a little bit more of a peek. And are you ready? There. Wait a minute, that wasn't good enough. There. Here we go. There. We'll get this. It's much easier when you're not holding a camera. 6 by 12. A couple of sewing machines, like 4 of them in there. La-da-dee, la-da-dee. Hope you liked the video. Oh! Whoa! 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 Whew. Well, how long is this thing? It must be at least 100 feet. That's a 100-foot truck. Oh, that one's not mine. Just kidding. U-Haul. What do you think's in it? It's only 26 feet. Oh, look, sneak peek. Definitely some parts machines. Ooh, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Sneak peek. Ooh. Yeah, yeah. Why aren't you focusing right? Should I, like, lift the door, you think? Can't see nothing. It's too dark in there. It's getting dark, so I gotta hurry, find some locks. Ooh. Who's that? Who's in there? Hello? Hello? Some plastics. Parts machine, yay! Roughity rough. Chinese bentwood. What else we got here? I can't tell. Well, that's a sneak peek. Hope you liked the video. Lots more to come. Stay tuned. I have to unload this. I just found out I have to do it all by myself. Lucky me. And that one too. Signing out. Peace.